Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to save draft in Gmail. First of all, open your Gmail account and then click Compose button in the left side and under the Gmail logo. And then click whatever message you want. And to save as draft, click on this X icon in the top right corner. It will show save and close. Just click this and our message is saved in the draft. We can continue to edit this message and send if we want. And yeah, that's how to save draft in Gmail. If you like this video, please subscribe this channel and see you in the next video. Bye.